Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 91 of 111 days verification challenge. The skill set which we are focusing on right now is UVM, and the topic for today will be UVM driver and UVM monitor. Let's see today's question. The first question is you need to write a UVM driver template. Template means what is the syntax of UVM driver? What are the different functions inside it? What is the code? You need to write it properly and explain each line. This will help you understand how UVM driver component is coded in UVM. Inside UVM driver, we have different methods like get next item, try next item done, put. These are some of the methods which I have listed. You need to explain each of these methods in UVM driver with the help of coding example. Write a code to all these methods and explain what is happening inside each line. Now we have a sequencer and we have a driver. These are two components inside UVM. There needs to be handshake between the sequencer and driver to drive the traffic. You need to explain how does this handshake happen between driver and sequencer in UVM with the help of what methods, what are the arguments which you pass inside these methods, and how are they communicating with each other. You need to explain that. In driver also, we can have either pipeline driver or non-pipeline driver. Explain what are the difference between them. Then write a template for UVM monitor and explain each line. It means you need to code a UVM monitor and what are different methods inside it and explain each line. What does a monitor do in UVM test bench? So what is the functionality of UVM monitor inside the test bench? Then a lot of people get confused between monitor and scoreboard. You need to explain the difference between these two. Inside UVM, monitor and scoreboard also need to communicate with each other. You need to explain how you will connect monitor with the scoreboard. Solve these questions today and tomorrow I'll see you for day 92 challenge. Best luck.